Hello Zuggers, Swiss Danny here again. Have you ever noticed how clean Zug is? It is one of the cleanest places in the world, and we are so proud of it. We are so proud of our Zug because it is absolutely fantastic. Please check out how clean Zug is. So clean. Everything's clean. Clean. Look, clean. No sign of any litter. Clean. It's very clean. Clean. Really clean. So clean. Clean. Everything's clean. So please remember to put your rubbish in the bin and keep our Zug beautiful and clean. This is Swiss Danny. Zug is absolutely fantastic. Don't forget to follow.